How to apply for Bank of America checking account online. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Open any of the browser. At the very top, you can see this search box. Type in there bankofamerica.com and search for it. You will land to this kind of page. Now at the top left corner, you can find this option of checking. Click on it. Now at the right side, you can find this option of open a checking account. Click on this option of open account. Now just scroll down. Over here you can find different options. Here are 3 options given to open account. You can choose the option of your choice. Here I will be choosing this one, Bank of America Advantage Save Balance Banking. Now from here you can get started to apply for Bank of America checking account online. If you want to add a saving account to your Bank of America Advantage account, you can just check in for this option. Yes, add a Bank of America Advantage saving account. If you don't want, then you can check in for the second option. Likewise, if you have offer code, you can check in for this option. I have an offer code. If you are Bank of America online banking customer, you can check in for this option. And after you fill all these, you can click on this option of go to application. Now you have to fill these. First, you will need to enter your information that includes your first name, middle name, last name, date of birth, likewise your contact info and residency. Just fill up all these and then you will be good to go. At the very bottom, you can find this option of continue. Just click on it. So this is how you can apply for Bank of America checking account online. This was all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.